Hi everyone and welcome to this course about cryptocurrencies. We will really learn everything you need to know to get started. And this video today is super duper important, okay? That's how important it is, because this video could save you hundreds of thousands, if not even millions of pounds. Because imagine you have a Bitcoin now and it's worth what? Maybe 50,000, maybe 60, maybe 30, depending on when you bought it. But then imagine you are scammed and in 2 or 3 years that Bitcoin could be worth $1 million. So actually you've lost $1 million that you could have had. So it's so important that you do keep your crypto safe and that you only, and I repeat, you only use the best and biggest exchanges, okay? Because there's so many scams out there, especially in the crypto market. So in this video, we're going to look at how you avoid scams and how you really get the most out of your exchange and what to look for. So let's head over to the flip chart and let's have a look. So the number one page to look at, right? There's one page, and I wonder if you would like to know, there's one page which is amazing to look at in order to find out what exchange to use, okay? So that site is, all right. You can see this, it's Google, woo! Really, Dennis? I kind of knew that. Well, did you though, right? So you need to just use Google, use it better. Is this exchange a scam? Which are the 10 best exchanges, right? So many things you can Google. But what we need to take a look at here is, okay, so how do we find out which exchange that is good and which one that is bad? So let's have a look. So then if we write no, this is what not to look for, right? This is probably a scam if it's like that. And on this side, we're going to see, okay, this is good to look for. All right. So the first test, the stress test, is to just Google the exchange you're looking for. Google the exchange name and then, is this a scam? As simple, isn't it? But just look for, just invest with the biggest, okay? The biggest, okay? Very important. And if you can, in the crypto space it's difficult, but if they are regulated, there's a big plus, of course, but it's a bit difficult in the crypto space. But try to look for it. Regulation, okay? And that would be with maybe the SEC, could be the FCA. And maybe you know there is some exchanges that are regulated. So Coinbase just went public. Coinbase.com just went public to the stock market, which is a great positive. So they are regulated, they're safe, and you actually, they're not going to scam you if you put it that way. So look for regulation as well. Try also, it's going to take a little bit of practice. But if it has low fees, so low fees and easy to use, okay? So easy to use. Those are some really good aspects to look at. But the biggest one in terms of safety would be to use this one and the regulation. To look for the biggest ones and the ones that are regulated. But what is it important to avoid? So if they promise huge returns, okay? If they tell you, look, if you invest with us, you can make 1 to 5% a month, guaranteed. It's rubbish, okay? No one can promise that. It's usually a scam if that happens, okay? And if they're not regulated, if it's a very small, so just do the opposite. If it's a small and very unknown, you never heard of it. And if it is, even if they say, look, we have a robot, it will trade for you, it's very scientific, yeah, go ahead, ask them some hard questions. Call them, email them and say, okay, great, I love that you have a bot, it's amazing, but can you show me track record for the last 3 years? I always say, if they don't have track record for more than a year, I'm not even interested. So you need to know how the robot is working. But let's just take this to the test, okay? So let's come over here to the computer and we're going to have a look. So if you have a look here at, and I just Googled here, Cash FX scam, okay? And the thing is, look what the first thing that comes up is. the Cash F Forex group is a brutal scam that's going to collapse. It's not regulated. Stay away from it. I mean, I don't know, okay? Disclaimer, I don't know if it is a scam, and I don't care, frankly. But would I like to invest my hard-earned money there? No, I would not, right? I would rather have it with some of the biggest ones. So why don't we Google instead safest crypto exchanges, okay? So if we look here and come up, okay, so best crypto exchanges of 2021, you can write this webpage down. Investopedia is such a good webpage when it comes to trading and investing for information. So if we look here, you can see these are the best places. Okay, so here you go. Coinbase, awesome. And then you have Binance as well. Best for altcoins, Binance. Best overall, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. And those are actually the ones we're using. They're safe. The fees are a little bit higher if you're not using Coinbase Pro. But these are amazing, these websites, right? But those are the biggest ones. Those are the safest ones. And those are the ones I would stick to. A good general rule of thumb is, if it sounds too good to be true, it is too good to be true. So, make sure you comment below, what exchanges are you using today? And do you have questions for us? Do you want us to help you to research some of them as well? So, if you would like to know more about what we're doing and how to really trade and invest with cryptos, we're going to go through some strategies a little bit further down the line here. But if you would like, Dennis, I want to get started. Where do I sign up? Make sure you press the link and you will be able to do that. We will help you to get started, okay? But comment below, what do you think? Was this valuable for you? Make sure you hit the like button if you like what you're seeing. And don't forget to subscribe as well if you would continue to get these videos sent to you so you never miss a video, because these are sent out weekly. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next.